Space is going to become one of the largest economic sectors on the planet in the next decade. The new Space Master Program was created with one idea in mind, that you find your own professional career in the space sector, that we give you all the resources, all the experiences, so that you can start your career properly. We have built 3 state-of-the-art laboratories in Sofia University, in the Naval Academy and in the Air Force Academy, where for 70% of the total time that you spend in the classrooms, you are going to have a hands-on workshops and experiences with real space technology and basically understanding what it takes to get anything to orbit and to make it operational. You're going to meet with directors of space agencies, with the CEOs and CTOs of the hottest space startups, people who are shaping our industry on a daily basis. Global trade, communications, meteorology, ecology, aviation, defense, everything depends on space data. Our species are striving to go beyond Earth and to understand much better the universe, and you should be excited to pursue a career in space.